Okay, 01/01/2024. Because we have almost done our backend activity configuration, and today is 24th, so 20th of 02/2024. And let's see what company code is working on what. Oh, it requires a company code. Okay. 0001. And the end. Let's see which company codes gives us. AS76, the last. So I'm taking the whole series. Let's see which one is active. Okay, we have 050407. Okay, this was created in USD. Great. 0407 is our company code. Okay. Now, I just wanted to see, make sure that uh, some company codes are active, and which one are those. Document entry, GL account document 0407. Okay, 2402, 2403, and 4000. Okay, before I actually give details, let's check what is in their chart of accounts, FS00. So I need to know. This is how you audit a system. Okay. I first discovered this company code. Okay. And now I want to see what accounts are made in this. Expense, wages, 4001. And it is expense. Okay. This is made. Control data. Open item management. Okay. Create bank interest. So I'll have to check lightly what actually is happening in these GL accounts. Now, the other thing I want to pay with is 10401. Okay. 40,001 debit and 10401. This is credit 4,000. Okay. 4,000, 4,000, 2402, 2402. Okay. Enter. Post, it says it was posted in company code 0407. Now, I want to see this document. What is 402? Where is 402? एक मिनट जी. More settings. Where is the document? Document. Okay, let me check that. 0407. This is the company code. Okay. the company code. Document number, fiscal year, posting date is 24/02/2024. 24/02/2024. Execute. And we have one document that we created just now. And 402, what is 402? This is company code 0407. Okay. And we have passed on an entry. We have paid wages through Axis Bank. Okay. And this is the document number it has generated. Okay. Now let's go and see another function in accounting, because now we have actually done our front end activity. Document entry is our next plan. General posting, park document, FV50. 24/02. 24/02. And we are going to park this document. Now, what is parking? I'll tell you in a while. 401, same entry, because the GL accounts are not that much to play around with. Debit and credit. And we'll say 500 park. 500 star. 500 park. Enter. Okay, now it turns green, balance equals 0, and we can go to more. Oh, no. And we can simulate. Simulation shows us this document outline. More. Okay, we can either post it or we can park it. We will park it. Okay. Document 101 was parked. Now, there is another option, F/N, and we can hold a document as well. F-02. (2402) hold 300. Okay, 40 posting key. Now, what is posting key? The posting key, basically, it gives you debit and credit options using numbers for various modules. So they have actually segregated debit credit entries, okay, as per the modules. Now, since we are dealing with GL entries right now, we have G, which is GL, 40 is debit, and 50 is credit. Okay, if we are entering a debit in asset, the posting key for asset debit is 70, credit asset is 75. Same goes for material, stock outward movement, 99, stock initial entry, 90. Although stock entries go through GL accounts, but material management is involved. That's how you define and identify debit entries and credit entries. Okay, so right now we are doing GL entries, simple GL entries. 40 is the debit. So whenever it comes across these posting keys, it knows it is a GL debit. So it will only bring GL account over here. Okay, GL account 0407. Chart of accounts. No, not chart of accounts. 0407 start search. Okay. Wages, rent, let's say 402, enter, and 300. 350 is credit entry. Axis Bank, and enter, star, hold 300. Now it has brought 400. Now this comma is basically German style of writing decimal. It is not comma. Okay. And okay, now we are done. More. Where is overview? Overview. Okay, overview. Overview. And we can hold it. I want to hold this document. Hold. Where is hold? Oh, okay, let's park it. Okay, post with clearing. I want to hold a document because holding is much more interesting. Enter GL. Hold. Okay, this is hold. Okay. Hold 200. Debit. Credit. Hold 200 and hold. Okay. This will be held. So it will ask me for temporary document number. In parking, this is the difference against holding. In parking, the system automatically generates its own document number, but in holding, it gives you an option to generate your own document number. This is one difference. Okay. Document was held. Now let's go and check balances of this account. Document, park documents, no. Account, GL balances. Oh, let's go to FBL 3N. All items. Noted items, parked items, execute. Okay, we have, oh no, we have not specified the GL account, and posting date. Okay, 01/02/2024. Rather, we'll use today's date. 24/02/2024. 24/02/2024. Okay. Okay. Execute. And we have parked items. Okay. This is not hold, this is parked. And you can change parked items whenever you want because it is still parked. This is posted. Okay, you can just change the narration of a posted documents, double click, more. Okay, change display. You can only change narrations over here. That's it in a posted document. Okay, but in a park document, this is says hold. I will say, I will just change it and more. Data entry. No, it's data. Change display currency, document header. No, where is the change option in this version? This version is a little bit new, that's why it has changed some settings. Okay, let me double click and more data. Okay, this is overview. Although it does give me an option to change it, but I'm unable to find it. But anyways, that doesn't matter. We just wanted to see. Okay, now how to post a held document. Let's see that. FB11 document list. Okay, hold 200, double click, and you post it from here. 103 was parked, and this was amount was 200, and FBL 3N. Execute. Now we have hold 200 as a posted amount. Okay. So let's post park document, post and delete FBV0 0407 0407, execute. We have two documents. Select all these and create batch input. Batch input for document entered in session SAP LF 040. For batch document, we go to SM35. Batch input, SAP LF 040, new GUI. Select it, process it, process foreground, expert mode, default Dyn Pro, display errors of process foreground. Now it will use the steps. Now it is using step of debit and credit, just like we did. Enter, 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 enter. Batch input was, session was completed. Okay. Now, FBL 3N. Execute. We only have one document that is in held park position rest have been posted. Okay, this is posted. So that's it.